Today I will show you Samsung S8. So when I connect the charging, it show the unplugged charger. Today I will teach you how to fix this problem. So let's start. So first of all, we need to heat up the phone to back to open the back. So we already connect the heat on and it's put in the heat mat. So around 3 to 5 minutes to heat up, and then we need to take off the back. So I think so it's 5 minutes now. So I need to take out the back for this. Uh, First of all, I need to take out the back. So as you see, we open the back. Just be careful, don't put the card inside too much so it's break your strip. So the next step is we need to take out these all screw. So let's start. So as you see, I opened the R screw. So I take the tweezer. So with tweezer I need to take out the screw because I already opened the screw with the screwdriver, and just need to take out the screw, put in the separate. So the next step is I will need to take out the SIM tray as well. So SIM tray come out. So the other step is we need to take out this back, put in the separate, and the speaker as well. So the next step is we need to first of all take out the battery and the LCD jack and the camera jack. Also when you take out the wire, antenna wire, and the sensor strips. So our next step is take out the motherboard out and take out from back here the board. And the next step is we need to open this oil screw. So we need to take out this all. So as you see, when you plug to the charging port, so it shows the sign which I showed you in the first time. So we need to disconnect this one. So thing is, it show the when you plug in, it show the sign unplug the charging. Yeah. So we need to take out this charging port and let's see what happen. Yeah. So let's start. Yes. So as you see, I have a charging port here. So you see it's very dirty. I think it's called liquid as well. So we need to change this charging port, and let's see what happen. To take out this one charging port, and if you have the charging strip, you can put the charging strip as well, the new one, to check out is work or not work. So we have the charging port. We need to test the charging port. If some can't do the charging port, take out and put new one. You can put the charging strip flex new one and test it is work or not work. So it's come out. This one is our new charging port, so we need to resolder a little bit from back. So let's start resoldering. As you see, is we resolder this charging port with new charging. See? So we need to put this charging port new one here, and let's see. We need to heat up from the down. So as you see, it's already fixed. So as you see, so we now need to resolder from the back, because they already we sold the charging port from the inside. So we just need to heat up from the down, and it's go automatically connected with the soldering. So next step is we need to put back everything. So we need to connect the motherboard back. So as you see, I put the motherboard back, so I need to put the speaker as well back, and this one as well back. I need to put the screw all the back. So we put all screw back. So now I need to test the charging is working or no. So it's done.